Hello everybody, I'm Harry. Today we're going to get started with a program called R using an IDE called RStudio. Basically helps you interact with the programming language. It's very useful for statistics. It's also useful for displaying charts, graphs, and analyzing data. It's open source and free. It's very useful. There's a bit of a learning curve, so let's jump right into it. First off, I suggest that you download RStudio. You can see the website here, rstudio.com. After you've done that, you also would like to go to the respective PC or Mac directory, which contains the binaries. You can see the link here, and you want to go ahead and download that as well. And I don't need to do that right now. All right. What we want to do is integrate Google Sheets into R. This is a really useful tool. You can have a lot of data in Google Sheets. You can do some things in Google Sheets as well, like very simple analyses, charts, etc. But we're going to go ahead and import it into a more powerful program. That's R. So you can see it's just a little bit of rain data here, and we're going to use as sample data. You can find the link for this in the description of the video. So the first thing we're going to do is want to integrate those Google Sheets function into R. So you can go ahead and type out this into R. After you've opened it up, it should look something like this, with three basic boxes here. Here's the global environment that sort of shows you what kind of data you have or variables. Here you can find files, you can find packages, and things like that. And here's the console, and this is where you'll be typing your code. So go ahead and put that code here. I already have Google Sheets installed myself. I'll go ahead and activate it by doing this, library Google Sheets, and that kind of brings it active to the forefront, and so that I can use that tool. The next thing we want to go ahead and do is make this connection between Google Sheets and R. So what you can do is type weather data URL, type this kind of arrow, then return gs underscore URL, and then go ahead and paste the link for the Google Sheets data after that. Okay, so weather data URL plus gs URL, and then let's go ahead and paste that. And that identifies the data, and then up here in the global environment, we can see that we have data here and has some information about the data. So that's all for now. Basically, I showed you how to download and install R, make sure that it's linked with Google Sheets, and getting you to import some data. The next step would be to convert this data to a data frame and start looking at the structure of it, and then start to make a simple plot or do some simple analyses. That's all for now. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.